The later philosophy of Ludwig Wittgenstein has had a profound but often underappreciated impact upon theology. Now, his impact upon theology has been twofold. On the one hand, his remarks about grammar have led some doctrinally inclined theologians, like George Lindbeck, for example, to construe doctrines as the basic structure of a unique form of life, the basic rules of thinking, feeling, and acting in a way of life, and that these doctrines can be specified and made intelligible somewhat apart from their application. On the other hand, other theologians, such as Paul Holmer, have appropriated Wittgenstein's reflections on following a rule and the difficulty of following a rule to stress agreement in concrete practices. The theme here is that the rule is not intelligible unless there is agreement about how it should be lived out. So this puts the emphasis upon the concrete living of a way of life. Now, the positions of Lindbeck and Homer may not be mutually exclusive. In fact, they're probably not, but they are very different and point in different directions. One path leads to the attempt to specify the content of doctrines, and the other leads to reflection upon concrete and sometimes idiosyncratic practices. So is it rules or is it practices? Is it the abstract or is it the concrete? That tension pervades the folk who have used Wittgenstein for theological purposes and is a tension with which contemporary theology still lives.